Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, Monday has come. We were talking about that in the last 3 videos, how Monday is the decision time, how Monday is the moment of truth, and how Monday will be dangerous for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And unfortunately, I have to say, unfortunately, Bitcoin shows the direction towards the downside. It seems like the institutions are bringing the boat back. You know the saying from Da Vinci, when retailers are missing the boat, they miss the boat. When institutions miss the boat, they bring the boat back. This seems like what's happening right now. But I want to be talking about, is this dump already over? We dipped down to 55,000. Or are we going to reach our price targets? There is evidence in the charts which points towards a very clear direction, a very clear price target. And I want to be talking about that. I will be including how I will be trading this dump because I already have a strategy here for you. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. You make sure that you also smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I woke up to the dump. Second thing I'm doing is I am sitting here making a video for you. Smash up the like button. And now I want to start here with the Bitcoin content right now here and my expectations for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Let me quickly go into the charts and I want to talk about what is actually happening here. Look at this crazy dump. And just quickly, guys, as a quick reminder for everyone who missed out on my last videos, remember what I was saying earlier. I was talking with Da Vinci on Sunday about how Monday will be dangerous for Bitcoin. And yesterday, I just uploaded a video at the daily candle open where I was saying the following. Please, guys, listen very, very closely here.
I would still, my ladies and gentlemen, still put a stop loss down below. If you are in a profitable trade, don't turn a profitable trade into a losing trade. Well, we always want to take profits, so this is why in the last 10 months, all of our trades were profitable. Sounds like a miracle. It is a miracle, to be honest. Usually that's not the case. This is not reflecting reality, but this is reality actually right now. So let's keep it like that, at least as long as we can. Put your stop loss in a break even maybe, or even in a profit. That could be a good thing.
Perfect, guys. So as you can see here, I recommend it, and usually you know the channel. I don't recommend stop losses. I mean, for most people, it's a good thing to do, but I personally don't use them. Personally, I just decrease my equity. I go in lower in the trade and risk the same without a stop loss. This time, a stop loss was very, very reasonable for a very specific reason. I was talking about yesterday how whales are starting to sell Bitcoin. We actually have more whales selling Bitcoin than in the last 7 years. We never had more than 10% of the whales dumping Bitcoin. Right now, we are having it. And there was something else in the charts. I want to talk about that quickly. That actually told me, and also Da Vinci here, we talked about that in a video, that maybe Monday will be dangerous because for the first time in Bitcoin history, we broke the all-time high on a weekend while we are having futures exchanges open. This break of the all-time high was on a weekend. Usually we never had that before. The breaks before were on Monday and on Wednesday. That is why we had a new situation and we recommended you to wait for Monday and to set the stop losses in a break even, which is a very important thing. But now the question is, how low are we actually going? How low is Bitcoin going? Well, I have a very clear answer to you guys, and I want to show you the exact price target I am actually looking at right now. Just a quick reminder, guys, please be subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. Here you can see I was posting with Da Vinci. Monday will be dangerous for Bitcoin and Ethereum. The last hours are ticking for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whales are selling Bitcoin right now. It's not that I didn't warn you. Of course, I didn't say 100% we are dumping, but I told you now it is more likely than for a long time now. And now I want to show you what price targets I am looking out for. This is the Fibonacci retracement level. I want to pull that now from the swing low to the swing high. And what you can see is something magical happening here once again. What you can see is that the Bitcoin price absolutely perfectly so far bounced here at the Fibonacci golden pocket. And this is exactly what happens over and over again. The Fibonacci golden pocket here perfectly respected. So what I would be personally doing, and for this maybe we can go over to the hourly candles to show you exactly what I'm looking out for right now, is probably we are going to see here this bounce. And if it's a V-shaped recovery, maybe we are going to miss out here. But if Bitcoin actually creates something like a W with a higher low, this is what I would be trading. This is probably where Bitcoin is giving us a second entry chance here. So this will be very important to observe. Is Bitcoin going to form this double bottom? Then we are going to enter a massive breakout trade, and we still have our previous price targets, the next one being at $67,400 being fulfilled here. I want to see Bitcoin holding it, because if Bitcoin creates here lower lows on the hourly candle, we are probably due for a further more retracement towards the downside. And then the next Fibonacci levels, the 0.5, the 50% at the, just quickly, at the 52,000. And of course the 38.2 as the line of last resort here, really confluencing with the psychological support level with the $50,000 levels are the last numbers I am personally looking out for. Let me quickly go back to the camera mode. These are the levels I'm looking out for. And I'm not saying I called the dump. I'm not saying that, guys, but I'm saying that for the first time since month, I had 3 semi-bearish videos after another, where I was in every single video telling you Monday. Let's look out for Monday. If Monday red volume is coming in, we have to get some warm clothes here to get ready for this dump, and this is what was happening. I hope you were prepared. I hope you set your stop loss in a break even, or even in a profit, as I told you, because after the trade is before the trade, and the next trade is going to happen. Please, guys, smash up the like button. And it was not easy to put out these warnings into all that bullishness, into all that breaking all-time highs. I did so regardless, because yeah, unfortunately, something was unfolding in the charts. It's not the end of the bull market. It's not a reason to freak out here. Just remember, Michael Saylor was buying at 52,000. He's buying at 45,000. So don't freak out here, guys. Everything is fine. These things are part of the game. When the vast majority, I mean, it's just too obvious, is in a profit, the market has to equal that out. The market doesn't allow the most amount of people being in a profit at the same time. Right? It's just a question of time when it is going to happen. And of course, it could have happened also later. Anyway, guys, this is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Press the freaking subscription button, press the bell, and press on all, and join our most profitable community in the world right now. Also, guys, if you scroll down in the pinned comment, I have a $700 bonus. Just click the links. I'm trading myself on Bybit, Phoenix, you know my trades, and you can get the $700 welcome bonus as well. If you click the links and you deposit, you will get the highest bonus forever, basically, because after this promotion, when the next promotion commences, you will get it as well with our links in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.